A day we playing. What is it called again?
I think it's called Tornado Survival.
Tornado Survival.
On Roblox.
On Roblox.
And today we got a special guest here. Who's this with us?
Mama.
Mama. Alright.
The volcano over there.
Let's survive some tornadoes.
Daddy, can you do the circle round?
Can we do this?
Yeah.
Why does it say error? Is there even a tornado in here?
Yeah. Actually, I think it's a volcano. Let's see. The tornado volcano.
What does it say? A lava surge is occurring. Seek high ground. Oh no, I gotta go higher. Are there steps in any of these buildings?
Yeah.
I don't see no steps in there. Oh wait, can I climb right here? Oh no! Oh, I'm on the wrong side though. I'm on the wrong side. I think I might be a goner.
Is the floor lava?
Yeah, there was a volcano that erupted. I climbed.
No!
Ah! Oh wait, I'm still up.
Yes. Yes.
What in the world? Thought I was eliminated.
Oh no!
Oh gosh, I'm trying to get on the ladder here, but it's not working out for me. Let's see.
When I should get to higher ground below.
I'm trying. The volcano has begun descending back into the earth. I think we're okay. Okay.
Wait, can I do it? Can I do it?
You survived. 300 coins. Alright, what did that one say? It went so fast. I didn't even see it. The initial storm death count shows that 8 people got eliminated, while 11 survived. There is hope to recover. So what's going to be the next storm here? Oh, that guy's laid out. Can you, like, revive that guy?
Yeah, but I gotta kill her.
Oh, I guess you can't do anything for them. Oh, you can. E. Hold E. Oh, you just pick them up? Alright, we're back in the lobby now. We gotta wait for it to start up again. Let's see, are we on that list? Yep. Right there, a Huckerson. 275 big coins, baby. Wait, did it let you pick them out? Sometimes extra natural disasters can occur after rounds like tsunamis. Be aware.
Tsunamis?
Uh-oh. Rome, extraterrestrial, or airport?
I gotta pick that.
Pick a hard one. The difficulty... Yeah, do that one. Looking for one that says difficulty hard. That's what we want. The challenge.
No, we don't want that.
Yeah, we do.
No, that good. Do you want that to drag me, eliminating me? Like tornado? I think it is Sonati.
I mean, I like a challenge, you know. I don't want it to be too easy for us, you know. I gotta find a fire extinguisher.
Oh, I found something.
Oh, it's a fire extinguisher. Pick it up, hurry. Hey, she's trying to take your fire extinguisher. Avoid metal at all costs. The lightning storm is no joke. Oh, there's the rain. Where's the lightning? An EF4 has touched down in the area, and there is a very severe lightning storm occurring. Oh. Oh my god.
No, too much. No.
Let me listen. Oh wow. Didn't make it.
But I got this.
Didn't make it.
What? What happened to my item?
There you go. Alright, try again. It's a big tornado.
Help me. So it said help me. I gotta help you, buddy. Ah!
What was that? You got a new badge. Zeus's Mercy. I'm not sure. Where'd you get that for? Because you picked that guy up?
No.
We alright, lightning. Or did you pick that guy up? Oh my gosh. Oof. The storm is ending. It's not quite safe yet. Hold out for a little while longer.
I feel like it's not gonna be a tornado.
It's gonna be a tornado, I bet. Which level? That one's easy.
No, it's gonna be there's gonna be a wet tornado.
You see how it says the difficulty at the bottom? It says easy.
What?
Not 1, not 2, but 3. Can you do it?
I have no idea.
I believe in you. I think you got it.
I have the luck now.
It is possible multiple tornadoes can form. Judging by the weather conditions, it is likely. It's about to get real stormy.
What do I mean?
Find shelter immediately. Survive 3 tornadoes.
Just man. Anyway, get out of that building. So I gotta go, brother. Help me, brother. Help me, oh.
I think that's one right there forming. You're going right toward it. That's what I was saying. You're right toward it.
Nah. Get out me.
You might need to go the other way.
Okay. Oh no. Yeah, your way.
Let me out. You're getting yourself toasted, son. You gotta run away from it.
I didn't know the tornado was there.
They're up in the clouds. Oh. Oh, that's a big boy. You see that one? Oh no, I was trying to... Shoot, I had nowhere to go. Oh my. We are caught. Help! Help! Oh. Well, that didn't go as planned. We kind of got our butts kicked.
That's because you went the wrong way.
Well, you started me off running the wrong way, man.
No.
You ran right into the tornado right out the gate.
Then
I think you're having more fun jumping than anything. The storm is ending. It's not quite safe yet. Hold on for a little while longer.
Is there a car I can drive?
No, I don't think you can drop cars in here. Yeah. That car doesn't look drivable at all. No engine or anything. Just blocks.
Meh.
We were one of the ones that got eliminated.
Yeah, that kind of thing. Thanks to Daddy, everyone.
You ran right into the tornado at the start. That was my fault.
Thanks to Daddy.
What? Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna do better this round. This is it. This time we survive. We got this. Now what's the strategy? Do you want me to start or do you want to start?
I want myself.
You're gonna start? Okay. Well, let's not run right into the tornado out the gate.
I didn't know the tornado was there. Okay, bro.
Alright, let's see how good we do this time. I think we got it this time.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. You gonna vote for the map here in a second?
I wanna go.
We want the hardest level, right?
Yeah, but oh.
I want it to be 10 tornadoes.
No.
10.
We know. We know. Are you serious?
10.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
No, I don't want it.
Okay, not 10. How about 5?
0.
0. Okay. Which one do you want? Islands, town, or trailer park? Jump.
Jump. Like a caterpillar. Jump.
Never seen a caterpillar jump, but I'm rolling with it. Jack-O-Nado. Survive the curses of the tolling bell.
Jack tornado.
It's gonna be an orange tornado that throws out pumpkins. Maybe.
That'd be funny. Quiet, everybody.
Find loot. Prepare for war.
Now. Wee. Okay, that better. I have my fans. And
Jack-O-Nado will soon return to curse the poor mortals of this planet.
I guess it's a...
Oh, is that guy in a boat? He's in a boat.
Yeah.
Where's the boat? Can you get a boat?
Yeah, it's a...
I don't see any. Where'd they get them from?
Nothing in here.
Oh, there's the bell. Here comes the Jack-O-Nado.
Tornado. Where
Is
is
it going to be an
it?
orange tornado?
I feel like not.
Let's look around for it so you can see where it's coming. Oh, there it is. Look around for it. See where it's going to pop up at. And then you just got to avoid it. Easy peasy.
Let's see if it goes to this island.
Here comes the rain.
Rain, go away. Come again another day. Is it true you can break your leg?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
That's creepy.
Are you safe right there?
Um,
I don't know, man. That's looking unsafe. Go away from it.
Go away.
Climbing a tree?
No, I'm running away.
Oh, that dude's in a boat. In the boat with that dude.
No.
Jump.
I can't.
Go over there to that, over there, yeah, go over there,
No!
there. Oh, no, go quick. It's right there, no! Okay, climb up here. Oh, you're still in there, You're still in it. Turn around so you can see where it's at. Turn around, let's see where it's at. Oh, that's a big boat right there.
Yeah.
Excuse us, do you mind if we get on your boat? Come
Wait.
on.
We duck.
Hold on, I'm trying to fit.
What? Look what you've done.
I'm sorry, I don't know how I got it stuck like this.
Now I gotta be coach.
Oh no! Just give us 35 more seconds, please. I can't move.
No! Somebody help
How do I
us!
get up? Oh no, the boat!
No! No!
Spare us! Mistakes have been made. I can't move.
I can't move with the whole crew.
Somebody pull me off the floor.
Nobody.
Oh no!
No.
What happened? I'm in a cage. What? Okay, 7 seconds. We're gonna make it. 5 seconds. We're gonna make it.
Get out.
3. I can't get out, but I'm still okay. 1 second. The storm is ending. Oh, I'm still crawling. I don't know how to get out. Look at that. Not even close. We had it so easy.
How do you jump up?
I don't know. Honestly, don't know how you stand back up. Maybe it'll stand you back up when you go out to the lobby. Because, yeah, I clicked the wrong button or something. My bad, bro. But we still survived, so it's okay.
I can't get out now.
Oh, there. Ooh.
Bye.
What do they need to do?
Click the like button and subscribe. What's happening? Give me
What's
up.
happening? Thanks
Give
for
me
watching.
the
Bye.
one. Give me the one.
Bye.
Bye. And make sure Daddy eat.
Don't even. Don't listen to him.